Breaking the ice. Mastering the art of starting conversations in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions used in professional communication. Specifically, we're going to focus on one common idiom, break the ice. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful tool in your English communication arsenal. Break the ice is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of initiating a conversation, typically in a tense, awkward or unfamiliar social situation. The ice, in this context, is symbolic of the barrier or awkward silence that exists between people when they first meet. Therefore, when you break the ice, you are essentially making people feel more comfortable by initiating conversation or activities. This idiom originated from the maritime world. When sea routes were frozen during winter, special ships called icebreakers would be used to break the ice, so that other vessels could follow. Metaphorically speaking, an icebreaker in social situations clears the way for more meaningful interactions, just like the ice-breaking ships. Let's see how we can use this idiom in our everyday communication. 1. Example 1. When I saw the new employee sitting alone at lunch, I decided to break the ice by asking about his previous job. 2. Example 2. The meeting was initially quite tense, so our manager told a joke to break the ice. In professional communication, break the ice is frequently used during meetings, negotiations, or social events. It helps to make the atmosphere more relaxed and conducive to open discussion. 1. Example 1. In business meetings, we often start with small talk to break the ice before diving into the agenda. 2. Example 2. During negotiations, an anecdote or light-hearted comment can break the ice and pave the way for more constructive dialogue. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge of how to use the idiom, break the ice, in your professional communication. Remember, the key to mastering idiomatic expressions is consistent practice. Try using break the ice the next time you're in a social or professional setting, and see the difference it can make. Happy learning and see you in our next video.